Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with red, and weighing 111 pounds, with a professional records of 11 wins, 1 win coming by way of knockout, with 8 losses and 2 bouts even. From Cabatuan, Iloilo, Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, Enrique Magsali. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing green and weighing 112 pounds, with a professional records of 10 wins, 6 wins coming by way of knockout, with 4 losses and 2 bouts even. From Underdog Gym, Hong Kong and Lauderdale, ladies and gentlemen, that's all welcome, Raymond Boo Kaichi!
Alright guys, so sa mga kakatunin pa lang, this is for the WBF Australasian title. This is for 8 rounds. Ang paglalabanan nila ay 112 pounds. So si Raymond Poon Kaiching versus Enrique Magsalin. Poon is from Hong Kong, Magsalin is from the Philippines sa Iloilo. So pag tiningnan natin sa papel, medyo yung record nila magkadikit sa panalo. 10 wins for Raymond Poon at 11 for Enrique Magsalin. At yung kanilang talo naman, 4 kay Poon, 8 kay Magsalin. This will be a very interesting fight. Tingnan natin kung sa laban, medyo even din yung kanilang styles, tsaka yung kanilang potential, no? Para ipanalo itong laban na to for the WBF Australasian title. Poon throw a 1-2. Sumagot naman si Magsalin. Hoy, tumama yung yung kanan ni Magsalin doon, ano? So kung napapansin niyo po right now, Magsalin is a unorthodox yung kanyang stance. At si Poon naman ay traditional, ano? Yung kanyang kaliwa, yung lead niya. Nakatama doon si Magsalin, si Miracle. Nagkakapaan yung dalawa. Magsalin throws a jab. Kung tama ito nakikita ko, no, si Poon ngayon is medyo dumugo yung kanyang ilong. Mukhang isa dun sa mga nasaksihan nating patama ang naging dahilan. Tingnan natin how Raymond Poon will handle yung blooded nose niya. Bumibitaw pa rin si Poon and trying to hold Magsalin down ngayon. Referee ordered the break. Okay? Nakatama dun si Raymond Poon. Naiwasan ni Magsalin kanina yung swing, no? Ni Poon dun sa ropes. Talagang gusto ng dalawang boksingero natin, no, makuha yung WBF Australasian title. Round 1 pa lang ito. Okay guys, last 10 seconds for round 1. Ikaw, anong opinion mo dito sa round 1 natin? Was it a Poon round or Magsalin round para sa'yo? So pag tinignan natin yung record ng dalawa, yung kay Poon, good mix ng panalo, tsaka mga decisions, tsaka yung experience niya kasi international. Tsaka ano rin naman, no, hindi rin basta-basta yung mga kinakalaban niya. And the same din with Magsalin. Although, mas marami siyang pro fights overall. Solid yung pagiging veterano niya in terms of fight record. So I think yung experience is showing din dito sa kanilang laban ngayon. Nakadalawang bato si Miracle ng dalawang left upper. Right now, isang right ang pinakawalan niya. Another upper sa kaliwa. Although Poon is trying to engage. Pumapasok pa rin siya doon sa area ni Magsalin para makipagpalitan. At patuloy siyang pumapasok. Sumusukat si Poon. Nagbato ng kaliwa. Mukhang pumasok yung kanan doon ni Poon. Although, gumanti agad si Magsalin, kaliwa. Matuwa na ulit. Kanan ni Magsalin, palakpakan ng mga tao. Uy! Another right from Magsalin. Pero mukhang in the fight pa rin si Poon. Throwing punches sa corner. Although napapansin ko lang yung mga bato ni Poon, parang hindi ganun ka loaded Mga short, although syempre it's hard to tell if you're not on the receiving end kung may power yun. Right now, that's wide naman from his left. Still, trying to penetrate pa rin si Magsalin, pero Magsalin keeping the distance and trying to throw that right. End of round 2. Ayan, so right now, I'm reading from the comment section yung mga pag-good luck nyo kay Magsalin. Mukhang nakikinig naman siya sa inyo guys kasi yung execution ni Magsalin kanina talagang maintain niya yung distansya. Although si Poon talaga is trying to get inside although Magsalin is not letting him using that jab and yung step back. If you're also noticing both fighters are using Venom gloves. Oh. So yan ata ang pinagamit for the WBF fight. Batuhan agad. And Magsalin was able to to optimize yung pag-ikot niya. Nakita natin guys, sumubok si Magsalin nung doon, right hook. Ayun, medyo tumama although slightly na block ni Pun Pun once again trying to get inside. Throwing left and right punches. Although wala akong nakitang solid na tumama so far dun sa exchange na yon. Magsalin maintaining yung kanyang yung kanyang depensa while trying to answer back with that rear left niya. That's a lead right. O yun, medyo nakatama dun si Pun sa kanang panga ni Magsalin using his left. Although hindi natin alam kung malakas ba yun, pero tumama siya dun. Sumubok ulit si Pun sa body. Down up. Pero yung yung up attack niya ni Pun ay hindi pumasok Kakaroon nata tayo ng kaunting time out. Yes, Laika Kabigayan, tama po yung binabanggit nyo. Kasi Alvin is also the VP for Asia Pacific na WBF So right now he's not commentating kasi right now he's an official. Yung pinaglalabanan nila na belt right now ay sa WBF. Sa WBF.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Maya-maya, Laika Kabigayan, babalik din si Alvin.
Ifugao Fighting Pride, Carl James Martin in the house. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence at ringside, the president of BBF, Dante Almario in the house. And also we would like to acknowledge the veteran promoter from Cebu City, Mr. Charles C. And also promoter Ryan Gabriel in the house.
Guys, this is round 4. Again, Raymond Pun versus Enrique Magsalin. Ito po ay para sa WBF Australasian title. 8 rounds po ito at ang dalawang boksingero natin ay pumasok sa laban na ito para sa 112 pounds na weight division. So para sa mga fans natin, ano bang ibig sabihin if you're fighting for a WBF belt? Isa dyan ay pag-level up ng ating mga boksingero, no? Hindi lang sa pag-win ng title, but also opening opportunities for them to level up sa iba't iba pang mga major belts natin. So kaya ito importante yung mga ganitong klase ng title fight sa mga boksingero natin. It's because it will possibly give them opportunities in the future na mas malalaki pa. At malaki na rin itong WBF, pero eventually ang goal naman ng isang boksingero is to have a world title. So going back dun sa kwentuhan natin patungkol sa kung anong ibig sabihin nito sa isang fighter, higher rankings, mas wider na exposure, and at the same time, iba pa rin di ba? Pagka fighter ka tapos meron kang pinangahawakan na belt. Kumbaga, yan, isang patunay na solid, no? Meron kang physical na bagay na pinangahawakan in terms of your achievement. So hindi lang ito about the rankings, it's like having a trophy. Kung ikaw naman ay trophy, kung ikaw naman ay isang empleyado, it's like having a certificate or again, an award. So ganun kahalaga ang isang title fight sa isang boksingero. Kaya nga kung makikita nyo right now, pinapakita nila kung paano nila gustong mapanalunan at gaano sila kadesidido para mapanalunan ang WBF Australasian title. Talagang bigayan kung bigayan si Magsalin at si Poon. Again guys, laban ito ng Hong Kong tsaka Pilipinas, mapapasaludo ka talaga sa ipinapakitang tapang ng ating dalawang boksingero. Kung nakikita nyo right now, yung mga tao sa ringside, talagang hindi na makaupo, na-excite din sila sa dedikasyon tsaka tibay ng dalawang boksingero natin. Last 10 seconds. End of round 4. So right now, ini-inspect ng doktor yung mata ni Magsalin. I think he was checking yung vision kung nakaka-apekto ba yung cut sa vision ni Magsalin. Poon is being ordered muna nung ref natin na pumunta sa neutral corner habang patuloy na chinecheck si Magsalin. So right now, dalawa na po yung nagche-check sa kanya. Yung doctors natin stops the fight. Just a quick recap, I think nakatapos po tayo ng 4 rounds. Tingnan natin yung magiging announcement. Poon and Magsalin exchanging hugs tsaka siguro mga kind words na rin, ano? Great show ng sportsmanship from both boxers. Tingnan po natin ang magiging announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the advice of our ring physician, referee Joe Tumildon stops the fight at the end of round 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we will go to the scorecards. Oliver Garcia scores about 39-37. Sammy Bernabet scores about 38-38. And Carlo Balio finds it 38-38, a majority draw.
Whoa! So, guys, yung nasaksihan nyo ngayon, it's a draw for the WBF Australasian title.